How do you get it going?
Huh? Now you come. I've never had a cat like you. Never in my whole life. You're a dog in cat's clothes.